Welcome back. Dheya Coaching Academy presents Career Guidance Series, The Journey Towards My Dheya. Today we have with us Mr. Shardul Kadam, who is a marketing professional with 6 years of experience in analyzing and interpreting customers and market intelligence for startups, government organizations, FMCG, and legacy brands. He has a rich experience of understanding the complex profile of consumers and how businesses can tap directly into their habits, aspirations, and attitudes. Market research empowers and directs him to formulate marketing strategy. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. And could you please not say sir? I
Yes,
mean, that's a
definitely,
little
Shardul.
overwhelming.
Definitely, Shardul. Congratulations. You've been recently married. How is your married life going on?
Thank you. It's good. I mean, it's good to have a permanent roommate in your life.
Definitely. You've been known as the Mangal Sutra man right after your marriage. So, what is this exactly? What are you doing?
uh, Basically, one thing which I am trying to follow. I mean, I don't know. I mean, one thing which I am trying to follow is gender equality, and I think it's not a thing to follow. It should be there as it is. I mean,
Right.
there's nothing different to follow about it. But so one of the things in while following this I did was I'm wearing a Mangalsutra. So
Oh,
Mangalsutra bracelet. This is a
wow.
Mangalsutra bracelet
Wow.
because if I believe if my wife is wearing something about us, then why
Hmm.
I should not? And basically, Mangalsutra means auspicious dhaga, and it is a just a simple profile, simple example or simple gesture of
Right.
being together and living together. So that's it.
Right. You're doing a wonderful, creditable job. Hats off to you for this. Really. So coming back to
Thank you so
your
much.
career stream, how did you choose marketing as your career?
So one of the things, like, I was always fascinated towards marketing because my father is into marketing. He is in
Okay.
LIC. He's a development officer. So I was always exposed to marketing, and I like to talk. I like to talk. I like to ask questions. I like to make judgments. I mean, because all my childhood was childhood was what we say I had seen people questioning each other, and I was
Hmm.
provoked to ask question. I was influenced by Pula Deshpande. I have heard all his stories, and I could see the observation that he has made, and my mind was tuned to make those observations. And
Right,
now
right.
I realize those observations, the
Hmm.
observations, niche observations made by Pula Deshpande are actually market research. What
Hmm.
he's doing is creating a finding out a pattern, uh, getting the small nuances which nobody is able to predict, but
Hmm.
actually relatable to every
Hmm.
person. So that's market
Absolutely.
analyst. That's your consumer persona.
Right. Absolutely.
And then I was also part of the theater, so
Okay.
that
Wow.
also helped.
Right. What is the exam structure basically in marketing? If you want to enter into this field, what are the levels that you need to cross?
Oh, thankfully, I mean, there there's a traditional marketing education that you can take. You can do
Right.
MBA, you can do BBA, or you can do a lot of courses. But even if you don't do any of these things, you can still do MBA, because
Hmm.
you can still do marketing,
Marketing.
because marketing is about people.
Hmm.
It's, I mean, frankly speaking, will MBA marketing person will guarantee? I mean, there's no 100% assurance that a MBA marketing person will succeed. It has nothing to.
Hmm.
I mean, definitely education helps, but this is the only field. Rather, this is the only field which allows you to come without any baggage, without any
Hmm.
education,
Hmm.
and you can learn on hands. I mean, uh, You can just join as a marketing trainee, or you can just join any organization as a management trainee without no qualification, but you can learn. So tell me one thing, a vegetable vendor,
Hmm.
does he have any, I mean, has he gone through any
No,
professional marketing training? No,
not at all.
but he knows how to sell his,
Definitely.
right? So that's marketing. Or do you think a sari shop retailer or a salesman, he knows some marketing, but
No,
he knows
not
his
at all.
audience, he knows the person who's asking for which color, and
Right, right, right.
after asking for three saris, he knows which sari or which sari he need to present it next.
Hmm, hmm,
So
hmm.
that's marketing, that's Google Analytics.
Right, definitely. Shardul, in college also used to participate in a lot of social events. You were known as Mr.
Yeah.
BMCC. You were this famous kind of person in college. So how did you manage your academics as well as this social life of yours?
Oh, uh, till 12th standard, I was a very studious guy. I mean, I was notorious as well as studious. But after 12th standard, I told my father, see, I think I'm going to go into event and advertising. I feel fascinated by this. And I think in this career, I don't think academics, I mean, the books matter a lot.
Hmm,
So I told him, I'll do study. I mean, it's not like I'm
hmm,
dropping the college, but I think hands-on experience, the practical pragmatic life will teach me more than this. So I concentrated on the pragmatic part of my life more, and I can, but now I regret that. I mean, I think I should have more balanced approach where
hmm.
50-50 could have been great. uh,
Okay,
that could have been great. So
right.
yeah, so that, I frankly, I didn't balance it, I ignored it,
Hmm, 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 hmm.
to be very honest.
Right. So, what do you suggest? Like, what should a, typical marketing student's schedule be? Like, not a, rigid schedule as such, but what all they should cater to while studying marketing?
Oh, the best question, the best thing that best practice one should do to be in marketing is, you need to wear a glass of
Hmm,
wine. Start questioning. Start questioning everything. Why Cred's ad is so popular? Why people are loving that Rahul Dravid ad? Why
hmm, hmm,
An Academy's ad is not working?
hmm,
Why, I mean, why Zomato's ads are very popular? Why they are doing this? I mean, if we start questioning why, then we'll understand. I mean, just whenever you, whatever you see, whatever communication you see, yeah,
hmm,
just start asking why. That will help. That's one thing. Obviously, start reading.
hmm,
Start reading a lot. And thankfully, when I was in college, like 10 years back, uh, we didn't have. And when I was in BMCC 10 years back,
hmm,
so that time we didn't have I mean, we had internet, we have YouTube, but we didn't have that easy access
hmm,
to internet.
hmm.
Internet was quite expensive, 365 rupees for 1 GB.
Right.
So what now, you can just go randomly on YouTube, follow all the marketeers, follow all the, I mean, listen to podcasts. I mean,
Hmm,
there are so many people. If you don't like uh, uh very technical podcasts, listen to people like Tanmay Bhatt.
hmm,
He is,
hmm,
I mean, listen to someone like Advertising is Dead. So there's a very interesting podcast by Varun Dugirala. He's a content chief of a very famous agency,
hmm, hmm,
Glitch. So
hmm.
everybody loves Netflix, right?
Right.
So everybody loves Netflix, Swiggy's social media, right?
Hmm,
So
hmm, hmm.
that social media is handled by his team. So listen
Okay.
to him, and
Hmm, hmm,
he's
hmm,
calling all the marketing brilliant marketing professionals, experts in the field from various fields on his podcast. So he's
hmm,
discussing
hmm,
what should be done, and it's especially for uh, people who are going to enter marketing field. So
hmm,
that's one thing. So listen to
right.
podcasts, participate in all the college events. I mean, there are
Hmm,
so many events like Mad Ads,
hmm, hmm,
everything. And just ask people, because
right.
if you're not curious, you won't sustain in marketing.
Hmm,
You can't
right.
just follow the, I mean, there's no 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 formula. I mean,
Hmm, hmm,
uh,
hmm,
in the financial world, it is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and you need to
hmm,
know that. I mean,
hmm,
it's not that simple, but here we have to show how 2 plus 2 can be 5, can be
right.
6, why
Hmm,
not 4.
right,
We
right,
just have to ask why 4, why
right.
not 5, why
Hmm,
not 3. So
right.
the
Coming to
glass
this,
of why is important.
sure, sure. Coming to this inquisitive personality that you're talking about, how important or what are the other aspects of personality that a marketing student should have? Like we cannot go with a ego full of head, right? Like when you're going to approach your customers, when you're going to approach your clients, you cannot have this ego built in you. So what are the personality aspects that you need to change if you're looking towards marketing?
Okay, to, that's a very niche question. Before answering that question, I'll give you understanding of marketing. One
Hmm.
needs to understand marketing is not just sales. Marketing
Right,
is not just advertising. There are so many facets of marketing.
right.
I mean, so marketing strategy has a
Hmm.
lot of plan segments to it. One is
Hmm.
distribution, one
Hmm.
is product, one is people, that's publicity, one is place, that is wholesale retail, the shop interface. So there are so
Hmm.
many facets of marketing, and
Hmm.
then every facet needs requires certain
Hmm.
kind of
Hmm.
special skills. So overall, everybody needs to know why
Yes.
I'm doing this, how
Hmm.
I'm doing this.
Hmm.
So all the five W's and one H, it's
Hmm.
important.
Hmm.
Why I'm doing this, how I'm doing this, where are we doing this, when are we doing this.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
all these things are required. So
Questions. Right.
that should be across facets.
Hmm.
And see, if you're creative, if you are thinking out of the box, then you should definitely go. So there is a creative aspect in the marketing,
Right.
which is copywriting,
Hmm.
designing,
Hmm.
visualization, conceptualization. That's part of advertising.
Hmm.
Then if you are analytical, if
Hmm.
you're someone like me who likes to, I mean, so we as a society have labeled judging as a bad thing, but
Hmm. Hmm.
as a marketing professional, as a marketing analyst, that's my job. That's
Right.
my actually bio. I get paid to judge and stalk people. So
Right.
when my wife gets upset when I'm scrolling a lot of time, I'm scrolling to Facebook and Instagram. I'm not checking out people's profiles. I'm trying to understand why that person is posting this.
Right.
Why? I mean, if you remember, like 4 or 5 years back, when uh, Starbucks had come to Pune
Hmm.
first for
Hmm.
the first time. No,
Hmm.
not
Hmm.
4 or 5 years back. I think it must be around 8 years. Yeah,
Hmm.
the Starbucks came to Pune for the first time, the Koregaon Park one. Everybody was checking in
Hmm.
that I'm at Starbucks. I'm at Starbucks. I realized,
Right.
okay, you don't want to consume the product Starbucks. You want to showcase that
Show.
I was
Right.
at
Right. Right.
Starbucks. So that label. So this is analytical mind, and that's
Uh-huh.
what we are trying to implement in every product. Now it's about stories.
Hmm.
What was the Dalgona coffee thing? You're
Hmm.
putting stories, right? You
Right.
want to make sure that you have FOMO, the fear of
Hmm.
missing out. You want to be
Hmm.
part of their
Hmm.
clan. So I think so if you have this kind of personality where you
Hmm.
judge, you find a pattern, how people are doing it, what
Hmm.
things are working, what is going to happen. If you're predicting something, and if that is actually happening, that means you have an analytical
Hmm.
mind.
Hmm. Hmm.
Then there's a marketing analytics part of it, and this is a
Okay.
huge part which is happening. So there are, I mean, for that you need to understand statistics, you need to
Hmm.
understand technology, you need to
Hmm.
be very savvy with the digital interface
Hmm. Hmm.
or
Hmm.
digital ecosystem. So depends. I mean, if you're too creative and you don't like technology, then go in the creative part of it. If
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
love technology and if you're master of all, then brilliant, you can be CMO,
Okay.
chief
Okay.
marketing officer.
Okay. Absolutely.
And college matters. I mean,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
if you are I mean, if you are from MBA, if you have done MBA from IIM Ahmedabad, definitely it will help you.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
does it mean that if you, I mean, I'm not an MBA, I'm not an MBA from any college,
Hmm.
but does it hurt me? No, I mean, it depends.
Hmm.
If you're passionate enough, you can. And nowadays, thankfully, to the changing world, and thankfully, if you, I'm assuming that people who are listening to this podcast are mostly teenagers. If
Right.
when they enter the market, I think after 4 or 5 years, there will be no, I mean, nobody's going to care about आपने MBA कहाँ से किया है, where
Huh.
have you done
Hmm.
MBA, what is
Hmm.
your qualification? Nobody's going to give a shit about it.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So qualification won't matter, thankfully, but your knowledge will matter. And
Matter.
actually, that's a
Hmm.
scary thing.
Hmm. Hmm.
Getting qualification is easy. Getting knowledge, getting skills is
Difficult.
difficult. It needs a lot of efforts.
Right. When we choose our career, we are concerned about the packages, the income packages that we are going to get. So, what do you suggest? Like, should you start your own practice or should you join somebody? Should you work under somebody to get an experience? So, in this marketing, what are the packages that you can go up to?
Oh, I mean, uh, it's as vast as, I mean, it's like 500 rupees a month to 5 crore rupees a month. I mean, you can
Wow.
get anything and everything. So I'll tell you, to be, I mean, to come out of that romanticism, um, I would suggest somebody who's in first year, second year, try joining some agency, some
Mm-hmm.
marketing company,
Mm-hmm.
or anything. And there are so many companies in Pune and Mumbai. Try joining your father's business or
Right.
your friend's business, mom's friend's business, mom's business, or if your mom is doing some sort of boutique, then try joining anywhere. Start
Mm-hmm.
earning money at the age of 17, 18. It will
Mm-hmm.
teach you a lot, because I know, so now, because I started working after masters, my work experience is just 6 years. If I
Mm-hmm.
would have started in my college days, my work experience would have been 12 to 13 years.
Right.
That changes a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And because what you learn in books and what you implement in real
Mm.
life is quite different. So to
Different.
coming back to the packages, um, see, if you are at a mediocre level and you don't understand, I mean, it is proportional to the skill set that you have. One
Hmm.
designer can charge you 500 rupees. I mean, you can get a logo done on
Hmm.
Kumtekar Road for 500 rupees,
Hmm.
and Pepsi was charged $10 million to create their logo.
Mm-hmm.
The,
Right.
so that's the Geo
Difference.
logo. So
Mm-hmm.
if you look at the Geo logo, it's very simple, right?
Simple.
It's Geo,
Yes.
Geo
Yes.
Dandanandan,
Hmm.
Sub Sub Geo. That's
Hmm.
the colloquial
Hmm.
language. But when
Hmm.
Geo is shown in the mirror, it is seen as oil, and oil is the
Oh.
integral part of Reliance. So
Oh.
this
Oh.
thought process,
Hmm.
this logic, if you have this kind of skill set, you have, you are going to earn millions of dollars.
Right. 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 Right.
So, okay, to be very practical and to be non-romantic, so you can start at 10,000 rupees a month.
Hmm.
I mean,
Hmm.
you can do internship or something like
Right.
5,000, 10,000 rupees. So
Hmm.
there are so many people who are doing social media marketing at 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, and there are agencies who charge 19 lakh rupees per month
Okay.
for.
Hmm. Hmm.
So for Netflix
Hmm.
India, Netflix India pays 19 lakh rupees to Glitch every month.
Oh.
So that's
Okay.
the kind of mandate they have. And
Okay.
I know there are so many agencies who are charging more than that.
Hmm. Hmm.
Even in Pune, there are some brands, I can't name them because I work with
Hmm.
them. I
Hmm.
know so many brands who are paying 4 to 5 lakh rupees per month to the agencies for
Hmm.
one particular brand.
Hmm.
Even local brands
Okay.
are doing that.
Hmm. Hmm.
So
Hmm.
it depends on the skill set. If you're in the
Right.
technical side,
Hmm.
marketing analyst, and you know digital marketing and the backend and the data insights, then you can earn right from 50,000 a month to 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees a month, even in the
Hmm.
initial 4 5 years.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
And if you are in the creative field, the salaries start little lesser because there is a lot of competition.
Hmm.
Uh,
Hmm.
it will start at 5,000 rupees a month,
Hmm.
up to in Pune specifically, 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh per month.
Okay.
So the
Hmm.
packages can vary. I mean, it
Very.
depends the kind of skill set, the college you have, the experience you have.
Right. Right. Right.
So
Definitely.
experience matters.
Hmm. 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 You have an abundance of experiences stored. You're a storehouse of experiences that you have with your clients. So, could you share some of the few experiences, if possible?
Yeah, sure. Marketing experience, which kind of marketing experience? So I'll tell you one thing which we had realized when I'll tell you from the analytical part
Hmm.
of it.
Hmm. Hmm.
So when I was working with Bhadipa, Bharatiya Digital
Hmm.
Party, which is the YouTube
Hmm.
channel, so we realized that after for every video we are getting a drop after 10 seconds.
Okay. Hmm.
So at one, I mean, when the video starts, we have 100% audience,
Hmm.
and when the video goes up to 10 seconds, we have 37% audience. So
Okay.
63% audience was dropped after first 10 seconds, and we tried to understand why it's happening. Then I went to the promo and I checked. Oh, the first 10 seconds were Bhadipa presents and the tuning, the
Ah.
title song was there. I was like, On social media, people don't have patience. They have
Right,
5 seconds attention span, and they're not going to, if they don't understand ki product kya hai bhaiya, uh,
hmm, hmm.
am I going to get entertained? If that is not realized in first five
First five
seconds,
seconds. Hmm,
then it's gone. So that's what I call it 3 seconds rule. And so we changed that, and we could
hmm,
see the amount of change that we saw in the views that we were getting. That's
hmm,
one thing which I can tell you. Or I can tell you one thing. If you remember, Chitre
hmm,
had, uh, if you look at Chitre Twitter channel, the
hmm,
kind of interactions they have, it
hmm,
it makes a lot of change, right? I mean,
hmm. Right.
it had changed the narrative
Hmm,
that
hmm,
they're
hmm.
doing. So, what sort of experience? Sorry, I couldn't answer this properly. What sort of
Experiences
experience
as
you
in,
want?
suppose, say you're marketing for some serials, some Marathi serials or some movies, for example, or some brands for
Uh,
that matter. So, have you had any experiences with your clients as
oh,
such?
sure, sure. Okay, okay. So when I was doing marketing for Muramba, a Marathi movie called Muramba,
Hmm.
and it had Mithila Pal. It was Mithila Palkar's first movie. It had Ameya Wag, and it was directed by Varun Narvekar. So we wanted to launch the poster. Then we thought, see, launching a poster, there's a lot of chaos about. I mean, there are so many movies coming every day.
Right.
So nobody's going to register our poster. So how can we create curiosity? That's what I call a Kaida model: curiosity, interest, awareness. So how can I do the create curiosity in the minds of people? So what we did was, Ameya posted a selfie. So we asked Ameya to post a selfie with uh, Mithila Palkar
Mithila.
and say, and that selfie was posted on Valentine's Day, and he said
Right.
my Valentine, and he
Right.
had a cutting chai in hand.
Right.
So he was very smart about it. If somebody would have asked, he said, I was talking about cutting chai, not about Mithila. But everybody, and next day, every media was talking that Ameya Wag is engaged
Right.
with
Right.
Mithila
Right.
Palkar, Ameya Wag is going out with
Hmm.
Mithila Palkar. Media was going gaga over it. And
Right.
after a week, we posted a poster. Now
Poster.
everybody was like, Arey, ha, it was for that. That was a publicity stunt. But it worked.
Right.
So that's the kind of thing we did for Mithila. Or
Huh.
another thing for, especially for that movie, what we did was we created small podcasts.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So all the problems, typical funny problems that any couple would have,
Couple has.
like
Hmm.
somebody coming late,
Hmm.
or somebody being, I mean, generally it happens with guys that we don't like to answer when we are in public.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
if your partner is asking some uh, uncomfortable question, you are like, ठीक है, yeah, cool, cool. I'll call you later. And the person gets irritated. So we picked up these nuggets which are
Right.
relatable to every couple,
Hmm.
and we
Hmm.
created a funny podcast on it,
Okay.
and it worked. Because it
Right.
was relatable, and there we were not trying to tell how our movie is good. We were trying to tell you our couple is similar to
Your
your
couple.
life.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
It
Hmm.
makes relatability, and it worked. It worked in movies favor.
Yes. Yes.
So that's
Yes.
one
Yes.
example. I think it's more relevant and more
Yes.
understandable to
Yes.
people.
I remember this advertisement of Amay Wag and Mithila Parkar, the
Yeah,
selfie that he had posted. And
yeah,
I was into that, customer zone where even I was thinking, ha, these two are dating. This is what we were
correct,
trying to
correct,
spread at that time. Definitely it worked.
correct, correct.
Yes. And
It worked
social
because,
media. Yes.
yeah. So, and social media, you're saying?
Yes. So social media impact has changed a lot over the years. Like before, we used to tell the kids that no, you should not use your phones. Today, each kid has to be on phone because of the online education system that is going on right now. So this social impact that the students have is different today. So what would you suggest to the students? Ki now that they're using social media, how can they use it in a productive way?
First thing that you need to understand that, especially our generation and generation behind us, our parents had that perception that everything that comes in media is true,
Right. Right.
right?
Hmm.
Thankfully, because of the chaos created by television media, now everybody has lost that
Knows. Hmm.
trust.
Hmm.
Uh, but we need to understand on social media, if I can post anything, like if I can post that, for example, if I can post uh, Sachin Tendulkar is Deshdrohi, for example,
Hmm.
anything,
Hmm.
something
Hmm.
like that, anybody can post it. And if 10,000 people post that, false statement,
Hmm.
it's going to create a perception. It's going to like,
Right.
it's trending on social media. How it can be wrong? It can be wrong
Hmm.
because 10,000
Hmm.
people can be wrong. So that
Right.
one thing that we need to understand. So don't take everything seriously,
Hmm.
and you need to understand, verify the source. Where is it coming from, and what context that is coming from? It's if that person is tweeting is has some context to it. I mean,
Hmm.
and don't take everything seriously on social media. I
Hmm.
mean, definitely SOS calls, or
Hmm.
if somebody is asking for help, take that as seriously.
Hmm.
You understand. I mean,
Hmm.
just put your conscious to what is happening on social media and then react.
Hmm.
Don't have, it should be one-liner rule. Don't have
Hmm.
knee-jerk reaction on social media.
Hmm.
It doesn't help.
Right. Right.
And don't put your personal things on social media.
Hmm.
Uh,
Absolutely.
Facebook is lying to you. What's in your mind? I have nothing on my mind.
Yes. Shardul, if you remember, whenever we used to have conversation as teenagers, we used to speak
Yeah.
about some productive things, or you're going to do this, I'm going to choose this, this
Hmm.
is what I want to work as, or we used to discuss
Hmm.
about clients. But today, this generation is only talking about games, right? This game I played or that game I played. They become very lethargic. Their exams have been postponed, their exams have been cancelled, they have no career plans as such. The parents are harassed because of all this. So what are your motivational words that kids nowadays उनको career करने के लिए, how will you motivate them?
Just ask one question. If our parents are not there, if your parents are not there, would you be able to afford this lifestyle?
Hmm.
If the answer is yes, then do what you're doing. If the
Hmm.
answer is no,
No.
then think about what you're doing. And I
Right.
mean, if you're playing games, you can play games for sure. I mean,
Hmm.
that's not an issue. But are you in the top pyramid of that? So
Hmm.
just whenever you're doing something different, try to think, are you in the top pyramid? Are you in the top 5%? I mean, are you in the top 5% of that industry?
Hmm.
If you're
Hmm.
playing games, are you one of the those people who, I mean, who have that ability, or are you passionate enough?
Hmm.
So one thing, one of the my clients who was a serial entrepreneur who had exited multiple startups, who had earned hundreds of millions of dollars. So I asked him, what would be your one suggestion to a startup founder?
Hmm.
He was
Hmm.
like, or one, when should one somebody start a business? He
Hmm.
said, if you can't sleep with an idea, that's the time you should start business. So
Okay.
similarly,
Hmm.
if you can sleep properly, that means you're doing good. If you
Hmm.
can't
Hmm.
sleep properly, that means what you're lying to yourself.
Yes.
You're lying to yourself. If you're playing games, that's fine. Be
Hmm.
expert in it.
Hmm.
Whatever you're
Hmm.
doing, be passionate about it. Do
Hmm.
passionately. I mean, everybody can earn money. I mean,
Yes.
10 years back, cooking was in air is cooking person, but you can earn money from cooking. Now we have
Yes.
realized that. If you're painting, अरे painting से पेट भरेगा, but you can.
Hmm. Hmm.
I mean, there are so many things. If
Hmm.
people thought कि अरे ये बहुत बड़ मच मच करता है, no,
Hmm. Hmm.
this can work. और ये अरे कुछ नहीं फालतू के jokes मत, you can become a stand-up comedian.
Hmm. Hmm.
You can become a context writer.
Yes.
This, I mean, everything. One thing, if you remember that particular scene from Chandni Chowk,
Huh.
Chandni Chowk to China.
Chani Chowk.
Uh,
Yeah.
uh,
Chani Chowk to
so
China.
he's asked, he's like, what is the one movement that you do most of the times? It's like, मैं बेलता हूँ.
Huh.
So he, Akshay Kumar is asked to,
Roll the chapati.
I mean, roll the
Huh.
chapatis for
Huh.
24 hours, because
Yeah.
he's like, this will make your hands stronger, and
Yes.
nobody can beat you in this movement. Similarly,
Yes. Yes.
if you are good at something, become best at something.
Hmm. Hmm.
There are so many people who are good at something.
Hmm.
Good is not good enough.
Good enough.
Yeah, good is
Right.
not good enough. That's the one liner.
Right. Shardul, whenever we meet you, you're 24/7 on your phone or you're 24/7 working. You're only into your work. But still, out of all this, you manage to cook, you manage to spend time with your family, with your friends. And with this, you have so many other social activities that are going on. How is this possible in this busy schedule?
When work doesn't feel like work, I think it automatically happens. I don't feel
Hmm.
like it's work. So
Hmm.
when I'm speaking to client, because I enjoy that, I
Hmm.
don't feel it's
Hmm.
work.
Hmm.
And you can ask Tanuja, when I'm irritated, I'm irritated. So I think if you love what you're doing, then you
Yes.
don't get bored, and
Hmm.
it's easy to balance everything.
Yes. Right. And how important is this contact building in marketing? Like, and how will you build the contact? Suppose, like, I want to start marketing right now, and I'm not a social person, or I haven't spoken to a lot of people, but still I want to enter into this field. How can I start building my contacts?
Uh, One is romantic answer and one is practical answer. Romantic answer is start asking people.
Hmm, hmm,
I mean, start observing, start asking people, start commenting. I mean, whenever you find any marketing material, maybe it's an ad or it's anything, your marketing professor, and marketing is not such a niche profession that you don't know anyone in marketing.
hmm,
Just ask around, ask any friends, you'll know someone in marketing, talk about marketing, that will help.
hmm, hmm,
And uh, that's one thing. And the second
hmm,
thing is, the practical answer would be, uh, start following marketeers on social media. Now, thankfully, all the marketeers, the experts have come on social media, YouTube,
yes.
Instagram,
Hmm,
Facebook,
hmm,
Twitter.
hmm,
That's one thing. Start reading their blogs, interact on those
hmm,
blogs
hmm,
or podcasts. That's one thing. Tweet them if you like something. If you have questions, ask them on podcasts. And be on LinkedIn. It's very important. I
hmm,
joined LinkedIn very late. I always devalued. I was like, LinkedIn doesn't work. No, LinkedIn is very important. I know so many people who are 19 years and 20 years, but they have like 3 lakh followers because they have started writing so
early.
beautiful things
Hmm,
about, because I don't know what 19-year-old is thinking. If
right.
you could articulate what you're thinking about, and if you could represent the teenage category, 13 to
Hmm,
19,
hmm, hmm.
everybody is going to, like, 60-year-old CMO is going to beg you, share
Yes,
me that
yes,
intelligence, share me your vision. So
yes.
start writing on LinkedIn,
Hmm,
start connecting with people on LinkedIn through
hmm,
marketing. You can
hmm,
realize, I mean, again, and marketing is a very vast term. Like,
hmm.
if you're in accounting, that doesn't mean CA, CWA, CS. There are so many niche
Right,
parts of
right,
accounting,
right.
right?
Hmm,
Similarly, in marketing also, marketing is a broad term. You need to
hmm.
understand, and
Aspects.
initially don't filter
Hmm,
everything and anything which says marketing. Try connecting, you'll
hmm,
understand, because you won't know there are so many things in marketing.
hmm.
न्यूरोसाइंस
Right.
मार्केटिंग क्या होता है पता भी नहीं था मुझे.
Nay. I still don't know what it is. Coming to the last question, sir. What is your dhyaya in life and have you achieved it?
Oh, no, have I achieved it? Not yet. Definitely. My dhyaya that I have decided, the romantic dhyaya that I have is, I want to wake up every day excited. I want to be
Hmm,
excited to wake up. I want to be
hmm,
excited for every day. I'm like,
hmm.
whenever I wake up, I am excited for this day. That's the objective that I
Right.
have. I don't know when I'll have that. And I want to start my own brand. I don't know when that will happen, but I
Hmm.
hope soon.
Very soon you will.
Yeah, very soon. Yes.
So thank you so much for this interactive session today. You are an abundance of knowledge every time that we meet together also. You share so many different things and our perspective
Oh,
also changes because of it. I'm sure the marketing
oh, thank you.
students will,
This is
yes.
so much flattering. I mean,
No, no, no,
don't.
definitely. I'm sure marketing students will also have a lot of questions related to this. Is it okay if I share your number with them so that they can contact you if they
Yes,
have
sure,
any
absolutely.
queries?
They can contact me on Instagram. They can contact me on
Yes,
LinkedIn, Twitter. I'm available everywhere.
yes.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay. Thank you.